Alright, RV-oilution subscribers, we're going to do a tutorial on hooking up the tow vehicle. This happens to be a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. We're going to hook up the Falcon all-terrain non-binding tow bar to the Jeep. First of all, we put these brackets into the base plate. The base plate I installed a few months ago by myself. Pretty easy, just push it in, lock it into place. Make sure the holes are on the inside for your pins to go through. Just bring one arm up, extend the arm a little bit if you need to. Put the large pin through on each side. Line up the holes, put the pin through, and lock down the pin. Then you attach the security cable. We have a C bracket here. Loosen it up a little bit. Attach to the eyelet and secure it. Then we have our lights here connected to the RV using this cable here. It's a long blue cable like this, extends. Again, we'll put a link to that on our Amazon page so you can purchase one. So far so good.
And this is the
the safety brake for the tow vehicle braking system. Attach it to anything next to the hitch. Double check everything, make sure everything's nice and secure. Triple check if you have to, just to be safe. I've got a locking mechanism there on the hitch. So we're going to come around here and I'll show you the braking system we use. This is the Brake Buddy Vantage Select. We'll put a link down below on where to find that on your Amazon. You bring it in here, put it on the floorboard. You come in here, you can see the brake pedal here, so you just expand this brake right here, put it over the braking pedal, cinch it up, and then tighten it down with that locking mechanism there. After that's done, you go ahead and plug it into the Jeep little power cord inside the console there. It'll pressurize itself. Attach the braking mechanism, the umbilical cord braking mechanism right there. Scoot the seat up a little bit so it has something to push against. Wait for it to pressurize.
You got skip. Head cut.
Yeah. Got to do the neutral. We'll do that later. I guess that we're gonna.
They'll figure it out.
All right, now that it's pressurized, and I've already put the Wrangler in neutral and everything, the transfer case is in neutral, it's ready to go. And there's other videos on YouTube that are excellent on that. So you push this auto start and it will go through its cycle of leaking out the brakes. I'll do 5 repetitions of this. At this time you might want to scoot the seat up just a little bit more so it's less distance to travel. And then it will pressurize itself to normal again and we'll be ready to roll down the road. Again, thank you RV-oilution subscribers. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll bring more tutorials and other tips on RVing, tow vehicles, and some general health things as well, wellness. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, also after hooking up the Brake Buddy, we have this transmitter here in the cabin. You hook up to the cigarette lighter power cord, and it just transmits the signal from the braking system to the Brake Buddy if needed. It shows what settings you have it on and what sensitivity as well. Pretty easy, just plug it in, it's ready to go.